This mod upgrades NFS Most Wanted 2005 with a fully remastered HD user interface and menus. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link. Just select the download option. You just need to wait for 30 seconds. After the 30 seconds, select the download now option. Now check my video description for this another mod link. Select the download option and you just need to wait for this 15 seconds. This mod is required to run this mod. So select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded mod and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Just close stuff here. Right click on the game icon on the desktop and select open file location. Just drag and drop this exe file inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and say continue. And now again go back. Open this Need for Speed Most Wanted menu and just drag and drop these folders inside of a game folder. Before doing this, you can pack up your files, guys. Just global, front end, and tracks. Just copy and paste in another location. Then just drag and drop these files inside of a game folder. Replace the file in the destination and select do this and say continue. Then just close up here and launch the game. I'll show you guys before and after comparison. You can easily compare with mod and without mod. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.